Welcome to UK Property Accountants, where we bring you the latest insights to help you make informed decisions about your property investments. I am Luna, an analyst here, and today we are discussing an exciting development in the UK rental market: rising rental yield. UK landlords have a reason to be happy. Rental yields in the country are rising, boosted by the stable house prices and growing demand for rental homes. In September 2024, the average rental yield increased to 6.72%, marking an improvement from the 6.69% in the last quarter and 6.48% a year ago. This is good news for landlords seeking to maximize their returns. For those invested in houses in multiple occupations, commonly known as HMOs, yields are even higher, averaging 8.34%, followed by freehold blocks with 6.66%, flats with 6.02%, and terraced houses handed returns at 5.94%. Rental yields have surged over the past 18 months. While HMOs offer the highest returns, flats and terraced houses also deliver strong yields. For landlords, both HMOs and traditional properties present great opportunities for attractive returns in the rental market. Let us talk about location. Rental yields vary depending on location too. Landlords in the north of England, including the northeast and Cumbria, are leading the way with an impressive average yield of 8.02%, with Wales close behind at 7.95%. Greater London sees lower yields of 5.52% due to higher property prices compared with rental income. Rental yields are important, but they are just part of the story. Existing properties often outperform new ones in rental yields because they benefit from rising house prices and rental income over time. Profitability also depends on things like financing, capital gains, and property upgrades to boost property value. Since mid-2022, limited supply and steady house prices have pushed yields higher, creating great opportunities for smart investors. If you are a UK landlord or investor looking to navigate these trends, UK Property Accountants is here to help. We specialize in property accounting, tax advisory, and compliance services. We also offer a free 15-minute discovery call where our experienced advisors provide valuable insights and help you explore how our services can support your property goals. Thanks for watching.